Welcome back. Aam Aurat Admi Against Gambling has urged the government to bring in a legislation to stop casinos in the state. Members of the civil society group met the CM on Tuesday. CM assured them to address their problems by September.
Members of Aam Aurat Admi Against Gambling met the CM on Tuesday and pressed their demands.
आम्ही सरकाराकडेन मागणी केल्या की जो अमेंडमेंट आसा गोवा गॅमलिंग ॲक्ट तो अमेंडमेंट जो कझिनो लागू करता गोंयान तो अमेंडमेंट तेणी काडचो. सो ह्या असेंब्ली सेशनान ताणें एक बील मांडचें आनी हो जो अमेंडमेंट आसा की कझिनोन गोंयान आसचो तो ताणें काडचो. आनी जे मेरेन ते कायदेशीर जायना ते मेरेन बाकीची तेणी जे कायदे आसा तेणे करचे, जशें की एडवर्टिजमेंट जावचे न्ही, दर्यान जे कझिनो आसा तांकां पयस घालचे, मागीर नवी परमिशनां तांणी दिवची न्ही.
They also do not want casinos to operate in residential neighborhoods and within 100 meters of any places of worship or educational institutions.
He has assured us that he is looking into the matter seriously and he will do something about it. When it comes to legislative action, he has to wait for the assembly. So he said he will take steps. Wait till July and September. You will find that whatever steps he's taking, the effects will show.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Fahari.
Madgaonkars are still awaiting fulfillment of their long-pending demand of a full-fledged bus stand. The foundation stone for the construction of ultra-modern transport hub with modern facilities for interstate transport was laid around 7 months back, but till date there is no progress. Now, Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has demanded quick action from the government.
Have a look. This is the Margao bus stand. The whole South Goa uses this bus stop. But have a look. There are no facilities at all. The benches are broken. Shade is lying in a sorry state. This creates inconvenience to the commuters. The foundation stone for the construction of ultra-modern transport hub with modern facilities for interstate transport was laid around 7 months back by the then Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. However, there is no progress in work. Now, Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has taken cognizance of the matter and has asked the government to take quick decision on the project.
आम्ही ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक एक लेटर बरयल्लें आसा की हो बस स्टँड फक्त फातोर्डेचे आनी मडगांवचेच लोक वापरनात, पूण फूल सावथ गोंयच्या लोकांक ताजो फायदो जाता. आनी हो बस स्टँड मॉडर्नायज करप हो सारको काळाची गरज आनी बेगींतल्या बेगीन हाजेर कितें तें डिसिजन घेवपाची गरज आहा. तर आतांच्या सरकाराक कितें तरी ताजेर मे बी प्रोजेक्ट मॉडिफाय करपाक जाय, वो तांचे विचारान कितें तर तांचे GSIDCचे बोर्डाक कितें विचार आसात जाल्यार तांणी बेगींतल्या बेगीन हाजेर डिसिजन घेवन हो प्रोजेक्ट सुरवात करचो.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Farmers at Benauli complain that villagers from neighboring village dump garbage in their farms. This creates garbage menace for the farmers. Moreover, they claim that Panchayat has failed to take any action.
Have a look. Some unknown people dump garbage at the agricultural farms in Benauli village. This farm belongs to Angelina Rodriguez. She claims that this creates a garbage menace in her farm. Moreover, she has to get the farm cleaned every time someone dumps the garbage.
हे मगे शेतां सगळी कार्बेजान उडयल्या आनी हांव हें शेत रोयता पाळ दवना आनी शेतां म्हगेल्या हळशीक कोन्न घाताय सगळी. ह्या तुमकां खूंय लासूं जायना, शेतां कितें हाडून घाताय जाल्यार तूं आतां हे आय चोय हिंगा हे केसो हळशीक कोन्न दवरती तुमी.
Farmers also complain that the Panchayat has failed to take necessary actions.
पंचायत नांवांचे जाल्यार कितें जाल्यार म्हणना कांय कोनाय ते दिसती पडटा तुमकां सगळें गोडटें. आमी सरपंच कार्मेलीन बाय पासून जायत पडयता, तेणें आपल्या हातीन पासून गार्बेज दवरता तांकां दोलें, पूण कॉन्क्रीट कितें तरी करपा जाय. बरें अशें करपा जातालें. चोवपाक गेल्यार आमगे बाणाले चडशे अशें करून हाडनाय गार्बेज उडोवपी. उक्तीपणी सांगून सुद्दां सुरालीचे, गोलयेचे, बेरपाटीचे हे सगळे लोकांक आमगे हिंग उडयताय. आमी सोमेळे दिसता तुमकां जाल्यार म्हाका सुद्दां बाणालकारांनी आनी ओली करून आमगे सरपंचान पंचायतान कितें तरी एक्शन घेवपा जाय.
A reporter from Benauli, Savio Dice.
A Goan entrepreneur has started a fish aquarium in Hyderabad. No one else but Pradeep Sheth, creator of popular marine aquarium at Mardol Residency in Verna. Go Goa Fish Aquarium and Museum highlights the monumental and cultural heritage of Goa. It was inaugurated recently by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in Hyderabad. Watch it.
Go Goa Fish Aquarium and Museum has been set up by Pradeep Sheth. He has plans to set up more such aquariums at tourist destinations across the country. Pradeep had earlier set up Abyss Marine Aquarium at Mardol Residency 3 years ago. Go Goa Fish Aquarium and Museum highlights the monumental and cultural heritage of Goa. Aquarium was inaugurated by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in Hyderabad. Both freshwater and marine aquarium with variety of fishes are present in Go Goa Fish Aquarium. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.